Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair and our mission today to complete part 3, lesson 5-2, direct variation for the data in each table till whether the y varies directly with x. Here, the y varies directly with x. If it does, write an equation for the direct variation. Check your answer by plotting the points from the table and sketching the line. My dear student, he give you only the table with x values as you see and the y values. And if you remember in part 2, I said for you to find the k. If you have x values and the y value, easily you find the k by divide y over x. Yes, and here I have y and I have x in each row, so I will divide 9 divided by 6, or I will write 9 over 6 or negative 6, which equal negative 1.5. This is the first value of k, negative 1.5. Negative 1.5. And in the second row I will divide the y, which is negative 1.5, over the x, which is 1, and clearly I will get the same value. Okay, and in the third row I will divide the y, which is negative 12, over the 8, which is the x. And if you divide them, you will get negative 1.5. Okay, teacher, how you get the 1.5 if you divide 12 by 8? You do like this and you ask, how many 8 in 12? Yes, it is 1. 1 multiply 8, 8. Subtract 4. Okay, the 4 less than the 8, so I need 0. Okay, but I cannot put the 0 from the 4 until I put the decimal point here. So when I put the decimal point here, I get the 40. So how many 8 in 40? It is 5. 5 by 8 equal 40, and you see how we get this 1.5. It is just for your information. And as you see here, the first row give me negative 1.5, and the second and the third as well. Yes, and all of them as the same. So how I can write the direct variation equation? You write y equal kx, and the k, it is one of them. Okay, so replace the k by negative 1.5. So the general or the direct variation equation is y equal negative 1.5x. Now let us plot this table. Okay, the x for left and right, and actually the negative 6 for the left. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be here 6, negative 6. And then move 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be almost here, or here. Sorry. So this is the first row. The 9, the negative 6 and 9. 1 and negative 1.9. So 1 to the right, and then 1.5 to down. It will be here. And the last one, my dear student, it is 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and negative 12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let me do like this: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be almost here, so they will meet here. And if you connect them, okay, if you draw be here. Yes, here, exactly here. If you draw a straight line, you will note that it passed through the origin, which is the 0, 0. And because the k is negative, my dear student, okay, it will be in this direction, okay, in this direction, goes down. Okay, my dear student, are you happy till now? I hope so. Now let us take number 29 here. Okay, to find the k, we divide y by x. So 1 over negative 2, which equal half. Actually negative half. And 6 divided by 3, it is 2. And 11 divided 8, it is 11 over 8. Okay, so it is different. Okay, so this relation, it is not a direct variation relation, okay, or equation. Okay, so we cannot write the direct variation equation. Okay, my dear student, let us do number 28. It is 5.4 divided by 3. How we can do it? See, my dear student. 5.4 divided by 3, and you see, you ask how many 3 in 5? Yes, it is 1. 1 by 3 equal 3 minus 2. Now I cannot drop the 4 until kick the point or the dot up. Okay, how many 3 in 24? 8. So the first one is 1.8. Okay, and the second one also 8, 1.8. Okay, let us do it. And the third one 1.8. Okay, so how we can write the direct variation equation? Y equal k multiply x. I replace the k by 1.8. So this is the equation of direct variation, and I can plot the point here, and I will get like this one. The line passed through the origin, so all the direct variation pass through the origin. And let me tell you something else. Okay, one more thing, that this coefficient, it is also the slope. Okay, it is the slope of the equation. Okay, my dear student, thank you for watching, and I hope you get the full benefit from this video, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.